Hey guys, well, back out here at the old Toyota frame. Got a bit of work to do. I'm gonna try to get this stuff all pulled today. I gotta pull a few things off the engine, pull the fuel tank, pull as much stuff as I can, just so that I have less to pull when I bring the frame to the shop to cut in half. I gotta get all these motor mount or cab mounts out and probably, yeah, replace them. They're garbage. So, yeah, I'll just get into it, I guess. It's gonna be a good day. Yeah, the one thing that I cannot remove is any of the steering components because I need to get this out of where it's at by steering it out the gate. So I can't remove any of that stuff, but I can pull the engine and pretty much everything else. Yeah. No hubs, so the hub's on this side then. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. I still have to pull the steering knuckles or the hub assemblies off and machine them down for Clinton over at Dirt Garage. But yeah, much excite. Oh, I wish I had my welder here. I got my shackle hanger built, so I could weld that to the front and then start measuring and get my leaf springs run and everything. I was looking at these. I think I showed you guys in the last video. These leaf springs on this side look weird. It's like it swoops down and then it like pinches. It's a very sharp angle right there. It's not gradual at all. So I'm thinking what I might do is take these springs apart and make a custom pack with the Mazda springs. I don't know. I don't know. I'd have to measure them. I think these might be a little bit longer than the Mazda ones, but I'm not 100% sure. In either case, I don't think I can use that spring pack, not as it is anyways. But yeah, enough yabbering, let's get going. Well guys, here's a little testament to Toyota. This engine has like 780 or 750,000 kilometers on it. I did not break a single stud. I did not strip a single bolt. Everything came out really nice. There were two studs on the exhaust output or the crossover pipe that pulled out, one on each one. Other than that, everything came out mint. Like, that's fantastic. Look at the freaking rust on this bolt here. And it came out like nothing. No problems. Friggin' Toyota. This thing's a 92. You work on a mid-2000 Chevy and you're breaking all the studs. So yeah, this is my keep parts pile. That's the toss pile. Yeah, I got a little bit more stuff to strip down. I'm gonna pull the starter off it. I'm gonna pull the clutch slave cylinder. What else? Oh, I want to see if I can get the front diff out too. Buddy Tyler needs some CV axles. And then I'm keeping the front drive shaft, the trans, the T-case, rear drive shaft I've already got in storage. Yeah, so keep on trucking. Well, I got a lot accomplished. I had help with the pulling the transmission back. I could not do that by myself. I was gonna load it into the back of my truck, but that is not possible by myself because I am definitely not strong enough for that. Like, I probably could, but I probably would hurt myself, so I'm just not gonna try. That was interesting. I actually ended up undoing the motor mounts off the engine, rocking it back and forth, getting it up a bit higher, unbolting the ones off the frame, pulling them out, and then rolling the engine off the front. So it's out. Yeah, next thing I gotta do is pull the front diff, and then yeah, CV axles, and then that's, oh, and fuel tank, and then it's pretty much ready to be cut in half and modified. So I'm very excited. I made some good progress today. It's not as much as I would like, but it's enough. It's enough. At least I'm making progress. Baby steps are still steps. So I did get this gas tank skid plate out, and then I had gone over to Austin and his group of friends because they were pulling the 6-speed out of his parts dodge, and asked them if I could get a hand pulling the trans out, and so I switched focus from the gas tank to the trans, and then we got that out, and then engine, I did the engine by myself, and yeah, now I could go back onto this and work on that. Ooh, almost fell over. It's been a long day, but I think I might actually go inside and drink some beer instead. So it's progress. I got all the wire harness, all the brake lines, all the fuel lines off the frame, except for from here forwards. I gotta save these couple of guys here. I'm gonna save those two and reuse them in the Mazda build. I gotta get longer brake lines for the front. What I might actually end up doing is cutting that tab off right there and relocate it somewhere. That way the line doesn't have to be like a 26-inch friggin' steel braided line. I can't remember what lines I ran on the 4Runner, but I want to try to find them again because they were extremely useful. I gotta get rid of that stupid box thing. I don't know what the heck it does. It's got brake lines teed into it as well as power steering, so I don't know. I don't know what it is. But I'm gonna go off the pump to the box, from the box back to the pump. It's nice and easy. No complicated crap. So I want this build to be nice and reliable and easy to work on. So I'm just gonna design it as such, and it excludes that because I don't even know what that is. I don't know what it does or anything. So yeah, some good progress made today. Well, she's almost all thawed out of her icy tomb. But yeah, some good progress made today, that's for sure. I can't wait to be driving this thing. Anyways guys, that'll do it for today. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. Oh, the dogs. So happy.